Clint,
Yes,
last
sir.
two questions ko
Okay,
sa'yo.
sir.
Clint, of course, as an athlete from Cagayan, ano ba yung legacy na gusto mong iwan? Not just on your sports, but
Okay.
also sa Philippine sports in general.
Okay. Yung legacy na gusto kong maiwan, sir, sa sports ko as a city long jumper and a homegrown athlete from Cagayan de Oro. One of my advocacy nga, sir, and yung legacy na gusto kong iwan, actually, yun yung cover. I think if I'm not mistaken, naka-cover yun sa page ko na my legacy is not about my medals or my achievements or whatever I achieve in this world, but how many lives of children or next generation or youth athletes na na-touch ko para na kumbaga yung mga na-inspire kong bata na para pumasok sa track and field or pumasok sa kahit anong sports basta papasokin nila yung sports kasi yun yung advocacy ko, sir, and gusto kong iwan na legacy sa kanila na try to join in sports kasi who knows baka you are born to be Olympian. Hindi natin alam kasi like yung mga Olympian athletes natin dito sa Pilipinas, mga batang naglalaro lang din naman yan dati na hindi nila ina-expect na they are born to be Olympics. Or if you're not born to be Olympics, who knows, you are born to be a UAP, NCAA, Southeast Asian, or Asian medalist, mga ganun. So, yun yung gusto kong iwan sa kanila, sir, and yung legacy na and yun din yung binibigay ko actually na mga advice ko sa mga teammates ko and sa mga bata dun sa Cagayan de Oro na try to join in athletics or any sports kung saan ka masaya and kung saan ka feeling mo mag-grow ka. Kasi sometimes kasi yun nga yung sinabi ko nga din kanina kasi ang laking tulong ng sports Like sports is really part of life na and a way of life din to achieve your max potential, not just an athlete but as a person. It will teach you discipline, courage, time management, fighting spirit, madaming talagang mag-grown ka bilang atleta. And one of the reason din na kaya ganun yung advocacy ko, sir, is para mailayo sila sa mga
Okay.
'di ba, sa
Sa mga
mga
bisyo.
drugs, sa mga pag-iinom, ganun. Kasi malaking tulong yung sports magiging productive ka, magiging busy ka, and you will build connections and network in different, madami kang teammates na makakasalamuha, mga coaches, and mga mentors na mag-guide sa'yo in the right path. So, malaking tulong, sir. And yun yung gusto kong legacy na iwan sa kanila. So, it's not about my medals, it's not about my achievements, but it's about how many lives of children na na-touch ko para mag-athlete, para pasukin nila yung mundong sports. Ganun.